Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Roselle Park, New Jersey, and we are going to complete a wall-mounted door, inline panel with a seat cutout. You'll see how I'll cut the marble overlap. And this stationary panel will have a 24-inch towel bar. Everything will be in polished chrome hardware, and we're using 3/8-inch low iron ShowerGuard glass. All right, let's see how it turns out. So it's all done. We have now the door is a double acting door, meaning it'll open in and out. Again, it's 3/8-inch low iron ShowerGuard glass. And this is what the cutout looks like in the final product. All right. And again, everything's in polished chrome hardware. As you can see, accuracy is something we strive at. And that's about it. And we also take in consideration to do the little fine tuning also, like the handle height to match the towel bar, so that the towel bar is chosen. And again, everything is intentionally done. So this door works, opens in, and it opens out. Alright, if you guys need one of these or have any questions about this design, please feel free to give me a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit my website at njglassdoors.com. Nice.